Melissa here, bringing you more VIP magic. And look what the magic is today, you guys. I am here on the maiden voyage of the Disney Treasure, and I have pre-purchased the limited edition Disney Treasure limited edition floating ship wireless speaker. I'm so excited to show you everything about this. Yes, when you book your next Disney cruise with Melissa VIP Magic, you won't miss a thing. Did you know these were available for pre-purchase? Well, I do, because I book Disney Cruise Line all day, every day, and I would love for you to book your next cruise for me as well. And you can find me at melissavipmagic.com. That's my website. Book with a VIP expert so you don't miss a thing. Like and subscribe. Click that bell for notifications to follow all my Disney Treasure travels around the world and all the other cruise ships as well. So let's dig in. Let me open this box for you and let's see what's inside. Let me show you the box first. All right, once you pull your speaker out of the box, it's going to look like this. And here we have it. So we're going to take this beautiful, it's got something else here, so I'm going to set that down, but it's wrapped beautifully, so I'll be able to take it home on the plane. Ta-da! There it is, folks. Look, Disney Treasure. I love the color. So nice. And then your on-off buttons and your volume are up here. So nice. And then I'm guessing your charger, yep, your charger is right back here. Wonderful. Now, let's open the stand. So it's also wrapped beautifully. It's a blue stand to match. And there she is. So nice. I love it. And look at the backdrop. We're in a Concierge family ocean view stateroom, and we get to see the front of the ship. So if you would like to be in Concierge and have this beautiful view, let's chat. I can make it happen for your family as well. That's a little side note, but what a view each morning. All right, so there's two other pouches that came inside our box. So one is a carrying case pouch. So you will get this. So inside this little bag, guess what we get to do? We get to make Mickey Mouse ears. How cute. So let's slip that in there and this in there. And look what we have. And it also comes with a rechargeable cord, which is USB. And then last but not least, let me show you the very back. So you have Captain Hook and Peter Pan.
Faithful friends who are dear to us, ever near to us once more.
Here it is. We brought our limited edition Disney Treasure Bluetooth speaker out to Castaway Cay. We're here on the Concierge private beach, and we thought she looked really nice in front of the treasure. Whoa. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissavipmagic.com. Book with a VIP expert so you don't miss a thing. Like and subscribe. Click that bell for notifications to follow all my Disney travels around the world. It would be my pleasure to assist your family and order one of these little beauties for your family.